Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to Fortran Academy. My name is Harshwats, and today we will be talking about editing relationship in Power BI Desktop. Power BI Desktop is an analytical software that will help you in understanding your dataset through various visualization in different data models. Now let us go further and talk about the point to be discussed in this video. In this video, we will particularly talk about three things. We will talk about firstly how to edit relationship in between table. Secondly, we will talk about how to make new relationship in your data set. And thirdly, we will talk about how to delete the relationship in between the table. So these are the 3 points we are going to discuss in this video. So let's go to the Power BI desktop and discuss in all this in Power BI desktop itself. Now we are in Power BI desktop in data model interface. So this is here I have created a visualization in a report view. So how you can know this is a report view, in a left side of the plane you will see there are three views that are available in Power BI desktop. This is a report view where you can see visualization. In visualization I have created a column stack chart in which I have created a relationship in between the population, year and age group name. So this is how I have done. So I have created a relationship in between them. So I have created these three relationship. So then how do I have created a relationship? When I go in a model, you will see a relationship that has been created in between them. So this is a relationship. When I click on it, you will see there are relationship and age index number from the dimension age group and fact population are related to each other. That's how the Power BI desktop know that there is a relationship between each other. So this is I have done. I have done also a relationship between this dimension region and fact. So I now if I want to see a relationship just not on the basis of age group name, on the basis of region, I could see because I have created a relationship in here. So this is how it is done. But how to edit this relationship is also a matter of thing you should always remember, because certainly sometimes you do a mistake while doing or making a relationship. So for that you have to go into a home, and a home you will see a relationships. In a relationship you have to click on manage relationship. When I click on it, there is a box that appears which shows add, edit or remove relationship between tables. I will click on it. There is one box that appears in your dialog box, that is manage relationship. So there are two currently active relationship, which is from table column to table column, which is from fact population table to dimension age group. So I have to edit both of them. One by one I will check is there any mistake that I have done. Click on a edit. You will see another dialog box that opens up, which is something looking like this. This is a fact population table. This is an age index number. This is another age index number. So I want to create a relationship between both of them age index number, because these both age index number are same in both the table, and on the basis of this relationship we can create any relationship in both of these table. So I will click OK because the relationship is right. After that click on OK. After after that click on the second line where you will see the second relationship. Is there something that I have made wrong? For that to check I have to go into the edit, so I could see the relationship. When I go into the table you will see there is mistake that I have done. In a fact population table I have checked the right thing, which is location ID, but in a dimension region I have clicked on a location which is completely wrong, because this both relationship is not okay. The relationship is actually between location ID and country ID, because both of them are same and location ID and location is different. So if I haven't edited this relationship, the visualization won't be able to happen. I can show you that. If I cancel on it and close this, again go into the report view. Just a second. It will take a few seconds. So we are in the report view now. If I remove this age group name, and now I want to see on the basis of dimension region. I want to see on the basis of dimension region. For that you have to click on this arrow. You will see the other columns. On the basis of location I want to see the difference. For that you have to drag and drop this into legends. Just click on it, left click on the cursor, after that drop into the legends. You will see there is not much difference and the location is blank. If I again cancel it and on the basis of country ID want to create, I will see this only. Country ID is blank because the interaction is not visible in our data set. When I again go back to my relationship view, which is model, again I go back to manage relationship. Again, I go back into my second relationship where I will edit a relationship. After that, you will see a location ID. So just click on a country ID because these both are same. After that, click on OK. Now you will see the relationship has been created. If you want to create any new relationship, you can also do that in our manage relationship. Like when you click on a new relationship, you can choose any table of them you want, any table from here. Then you can give any relationship. On the basis of that relationship, you can create any interaction or relationship between them. And if you want to delete any relationship, you just click on it. After that, click on a delete in here. That relationship will be deleted. So this is a one part how you will do that. After that, click on close. After clicking on close, before doing anything, we will go into the report view to see now if the interaction or relationship has been created. When you click on a country ID and drop it into the legends, when you click on a country ID and drop it into the legends, let's see, is there any difference now? Now you can see the difference in your visualization because every country which has been coded into different differentials are now in different colors. This is how you will create a relationship. If you haven't been able to create or edit them, you will see there are certain things in your visualization that won't be able to happen. Again, we go into the model view and see these are the relationship which you can see. When I click on this relationship, this is how it works. If you want to delete any of them, you can go again into manage relationship and delete it from here also. So this is how you will able to edit your whole relationship. So with this point, I am going to end this video and I hope your queries got cleared, and if not, kindly write us in comment section. We will surely get back to you. And if this video helped you in any way, kindly drop us a like and don't forget to subscribe our channel for amazing videos in future. Till then, have an amazing and good day.